The first thing on the list is to create a vision board. At the beginning of every year, 99% of people are fond of coming up with resolutions or coming up with goals that they wish to achieve at the end of the year. But what those 99% of people do not know is the importance of writing those things down. Few years ago, while I was still in school, one of the things that I usually do, which was so helpful to me, was writing down every single thing that I wanted and pasting them on my mirror, pasting them on my door, even going as far as pasting them at my bedside. So every single time when I go to the mirror to put on my makeup or to look at myself, I see those things that I wanted, those things that I desired so much. When I want to open my door, I see those things that I wanted. When I want to sleep, or when I'm lying down on my bed, I see those things that I wanted. It kept them fresh in my mind, and with that I was able to achieve basically 99% of everything that I actually said, everything that I desired, that I wanted throughout my school years. The second thing on the list is to use all your sensory organs. Every morning and every night, read out loud that thing that you've written down, those things that you've written down that you want to achieve or that you want in your life. Read them out loud. Use your hands to feel it and try to feel the emotions that comes with it. What this does is that it helps your brain and your subconscious mind to feel it as though it has already happened, and with that it releases some sensory hormones that continuously motivate you to try to get things done that will actually bring that thing to reality, or that will bring that thing to existence. Before we move to the next thing on the list, please hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family if you've not done that yet, and please also hit that like button so as to help the algorithm to push this video out to more people that needs it. The third thing on the list is to create a success map. Write out every single thing that you want. Write out the steps that you need to take. That's the things that you need to do for you to achieve that thing. Then follow them one step at a time. The fourth thing on the list is to actually find resources. Make research about those things that you've written out, the things that you need to do to achieve it. If you are a student and you want to achieve an A in a subject, you want to achieve or you want to gain an A in a course, you learn how to study for that course. Studying is not just enough. You could be studying and you're not studying it right. So one of the best things is to learn how to actually properly study. This was very vital to me when I was still in school. I had to learn how to study, and with that, studying became very easy for me because I was not just studying anymore. I was studying to understand. I was studying the exact way that I should study. The fifth thing on the list is to use affirmations. The power of affirmation cannot be overemphasized because it is very important. Listen to affirmations that relate to that thing that you actually want. If you search for those type of affirmations online and you can't find them, create your own affirmations. You can record your voice affirming those things to yourself and then listen to it every single day. Whilst trying to listen to them, still reaffirm it to yourself. I am powerful. I am excellent. I am intelligent. I am smart. I write with ease. I study with ease. The sixth thing on the list is to break your goals into tiny chunks that you can easily work on. When you create a goal, they seem so massive and so far that it sometimes becomes very difficult for you to actually work towards them because they sometimes feel unattainable. But when you break them into small chunks, you find it easier to actually work on. The seventh thing on the list is to incorporate mental rehearsal. Picture those things that you want to achieve. Rehearse them in your mind. Try to make them stick to your brain. Try to make them stick to your mind. Think about them every single time. It could be while you're at work, while you're at home, while you are working, while you are doing the dishes, while you are doing your laundry, while you are at the gym. Just think about your goals every single time. What this does to you is that it will keep you motivated and keep you alive to work towards achieving that specific thing. The eighth thing on the list is to meditate. Learn how to meditate. This will help you to create inner peace in your mind, and when there is peace, that's where things thrive. Things thrive where there is peace. So do a daily form of meditation to create an inner peace for the goals or the things that you wish to have in your life to thrive. If you watch this video till this point, please comment excellent in the comment section below, and also hit that subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also please hit that like button so as to aid the algorithm to push this video out to people that truly need it. Also, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.